guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Today is Thursday. Weekend's almost here. How do you feel about that? Because I feel super excited. Here I am looking at you. Still looking there, but trying to look. Okay, so what do you guys think? I have like no makeup on. I mean, yeah, I know my lips are like bright purple, but other than that, threw a little brow stuff. Put a tad foundation just to cover up my redness, but yeah, I don't really have makeup on because today has been kind of hectic and I didn't really have a chance to do a full face of makeup. So here we are. Guess what we're doing? Just guess. Oh, look, Crystal, I said I was gonna wear my shirt and I totally did. See, I totes did. Here's my other shirt that reminds me of the one I wore at the beginning of the week because I bought them together. Today we are going to talk about my makeup collection. That's what I got some requests for, because people like to see like palette collections. I know I do, so I was like, you know what, this is like the perfect time, end of the week, this is a great day to do it. So that's what we're gonna do. Something I wanted to say and ask, so I met with somebody today. I know I said that I've been trying to go down a more natural route, and not even natural, just taking care of myself. And I kind of have been interested in essential oils, not because it's like the new health craze. I don't do that stuff. There are some real health benefits with essential oils. They can be used for different things. And I bought a kit, so I'm waiting for it. I just got it today, a diffuser, and it came with, I bought some extra, so I got like 12, maybe 14 essential oils. If anyone has any experience with them, let me know what you think or what you guys do with them. I would love for other people's input and advice. So yeah, anyway, let's get started. Obviously I'm not going to show my whole makeup collection because that would be like impossible, and some stuff is just like blah. You know what I'm saying? So, I keep clapping. Here we go. Alright. Ooh, I can't do that. That's dumb. Alright. Let's sit on my hands. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to start with what I have on the back. My Jaclyn Hill palette, which is a totally awesome palette, especially if you are first getting into makeup. I highly recommend this palette because it is just so gorgeous, so versatile, so many colors. I mean, you can create so many looks. Check it out. And another palette I keep right with that one is one of my absolute favorites, the Morphe 35B palette. It is so gorgeous. Look at those colors. Like, this palette just screams Natalie makeup. Like, that's how I feel when I look at this palette. I just feel it is just so me and my makeup and like what I try to do with my makeup. Okay, so then also back there I have this little baby, the Alchemist palette, highlight palette, which this palette is so gorgeous. Like, when you look at it, the colors just look so soft, but I'm telling you, when you put this on, you just get such a hint of like whatever color, like whether it's the pink or the green, but it's not like gross and tacky looking. Like, it's so hard to explain. It is so gorgeous. Like, sometimes you have a highlight that's like too much. You're like, oh, like that's really blue on my face. Like, these ones, I don't feel like that when I wear that. I feel like they are just so pretty. Then I have my Zulu palette, which is another gorgeous palette. I have my Just Peachy Mattes palette by Too Faced, which Smells amazing. Honestly, I don't know why I have never used this palette that much. I really have to just do like a look with this palette. I feel like it's like, okay, Natalie, time is up. Like, this is old, but no, I really got to use that palette. I don't know why I have this back here. It's just the case for the Send Me More Nudes, but I have all of them over there. I have my Naked Heat palette, which is awesome. Awesome, awesome color selection in this palette. I do like this, and I think it goes great with fair skin and blue eyes. I just think the burnt oranges are so beautiful. Then I have my Kylie Naughty palette, which some of the colors in this palette I truly liked. Like, the first look I did with this, I was like, all right, this palette is awesome. I love the color payoff. I love the pigment. I was so happy. The second look I did with it, I loved how it turned out. I think I used like Unwrap Me, St. Nick, Tipsy, Cole. Guys, I never struggled so darn much. Like, I could not believe how bad it was bad. Like, it really, really was bad. And I just, no. Anyone who is like promoting those shadows and saying that they're awesome or those palettes are awesome is lying or has never used makeup, because so then I have the Magic palette by Juvia's. Also a gorgeous palette, also screams me. I mean, like, look at my shirt. And then, like, look at this. It's just like, oh, so pretty. So pretty. Bye. I always want to do that thing, like the, and like pretend like I'm walking up the steps, but like I gotta master it. I'm gonna do it. Then I have the Naked 2. This palette is old. There's a lot coming at you right now. I have the Galaxy Chick. This is a pretty palette. I don't use it a ton, but this is a really pretty palette too. And I love BH. I'm not gonna lie, their products are dabomb.com. dabomb.com. Then I have the Foil Eyes palette by BH. This is an amazing palette. The color payoff from some of these shadows is just like unreal. Like, here, let's just go. Like, look. This is BH, guys. Like, this palette cost me nothing. Like, let's go into a purple. And you see what I'm saying? Like, when I used it, and I don't even use it that much, and I don't know why, because when I did, I was so unbelievably impressed with that palette. Then I also have the Modern Mattes palette by BH. This is another good one. I do enjoy using this one also. And then I have their Contour palette, which I absolutely love too. I used to use this all the time before I got my Kat Von D palette. I'm just kind of going with whatever I pull out of my bin. I have my bin down here, but I'm kind of pulling whichever's easiest to pull out first. This, oh my goodness. Look at how messy this is. Can you see from there? Like, I put in some work with this palette, and I truly, truly, truly love this palette. I want to say it was like $8. Such an awesome dupe for like the Aurora palette by Anastasia, or their Moon whatever palette, or even for the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. Like, just an awesome holographic eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I also have the Aurora, which guys, those are at Marshall's right now for 20 some bucks. They have the lip palettes the palette 1 at Marshall's, Anastasia, and they also have a ton of liquid matte lipsticks and then also glosses by Anastasia. Like, I was blown away when I saw what they had right now there. I also have the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. If I wasn't so broke, I totally would have picked some up for a Marshall's haul, but like, man, it's bad right now. I'm gonna just say that, it's bad. Oh, and then I have my contour cream kit that I got at Marshall's, actually, by Anastasia, that I have yet to use. I will be using that next week, promise. Don't know why I have not. I have my Kat Von D Shade Light palette, which I got from Marshall's, and let me tell you, this is my absolute favorite. I cannot believe that I ever even lived without that. I have my Pure Soiree Diaries that I got from my BoxyCharm, which this is insanely gorgeous. Like, amazing. Like, I would have paid, after using this, I would have easily paid $30+ That's how much I truly like this palette. BoxyCharm is $21 a month, so I got this palette in essence for $21 plus the 4 or 5 extra products that you would get a month. It's just such an amazing deal. This was also from a BoxyCharm, the Glam Metals palette, which it is also very nice. This is by Crown. So on. Okay, the ColourPop Give It To Me Straight palette, which I just reviewed. Awesome, awesome palette. We got the Anastasia Nicole G Glow Kit in the house. Yeah. Love it. I use this all the time because it's like you can find a color in here. I mean, this is my go-to highlighting color. I love it all the time. I gravitate towards a whitish highlight in every palette I use because of how fair I am, and it has that in this palette. I can build it up with other colors. It's great for all skin tones. Love it. Then I have, God, I gotta start using some more of my makeup. I'm bad with that. I have the Morphe 25B and 25A and 25Bs. These are like the copper and the mocha palettes. They are very nice. BH Wild and Alluring palette. Baked eyeshadow and highlighter palette. I feel like it's more of a blush. Okay. I have the Take Me to Brazil, which I do also love this palette. I used to use it a lot. I have the Solar Flare. This is a nice one. Honestly, BH's just products are very nice and their shadows are very nice. Then I have this Winky Lux palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. It's nice. And then the Wild and Radiant Baked Bronzers, which I heard are amazing on darker skin tones, which I forgot I even have that palette. I would love to test that out. Yeah, I guess this was supposed to be a palettes only, but I thought I didn't have enough palettes to do a whole video on, but I guess I do. It's like crazy how quickly your makeup collection grows. So yeah, I think this is all of my palettes. I don't believe I have any more hidden. I feel like I always thought that I didn't have enough palettes to do a whole video on, but I guess I do as of now, huh? That's crazy. So there's that. There is some of the makeup that I play with on a daily basis. So I am waiting, as usual, on some products to come in the mail. If they come over the weekend, I will probably put a video out over the weekend. If they do not come, I will end up just waiting until Monday to put the video out. Sorry, this like sun appeared on my screen and I'm like, what is going on? Is it telling me about lighting? Like, this camera is like too high tech for me. So anyway, yeah, if the products come, I will release a video. If they do not come, then I will wait till Monday to put out my video. Guys, I have gone nuts spending money the past month. I don't know why. I'm usually not like that. And I bought stuff from Victoria's Secret too. I could not resist. Let me know if you want to see what I got. When I tell you I got the cutest bra on the entire planet, universe's whole realm of existence, I mean, that's how cute it is. Like, on clearance. At that. I was like, I couldn't even believe there was something so amazing on the planet when I found this bra. But apparently there is, because it is now here to press against my boob. So I'm so happy. So anyway, that's it. That's all I got, guys. That's all I got in my rainbow shirt. So I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna edit this and you're gonna see it real soon. So you know the drill. Hit the subscribe button and also go hit the like button. Like, hit that like button and the subscribe button. And check out my Instagram. I have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on right now, so that's cool because that palette looks super awesome and I'm so excited for it. But other than that, yeah, I will see you guys next week and I love you. Bye.